What was the first major construction project in ancient Egypt? Pyramids. What was the first building in the United States? Jamestown Settlement. What was the first infrastructure project in ancient China? Grand Canal. What was the first major construction project in Australia? First Fleet Settlement. What was the first major infrastructure project in the Philippines? Fort Santiago. Which country launched the first artificial satellite, Sputnik 1? Soviet Union. Which country developed the first practical telephone? United States. Which country sent the first humans to the moon? United States. Which country developed the first electronic digital computer, ENIAC? United States. Which country launched the first successful Mars rover, Sojourner? United States. What was the Philippines' first major product? Sugar. What was Saudi Arabia's first major product? Oil. What was Brazil's first major product? Sugar. What was Australia's first major product? Wool. What was Canada's first major product? Fur. What is a synonym for happy? Joyful. What is a synonym for big? Large. What is a synonym for run? Sprint. What is a synonym for quiet? Peaceful. What is a synonym for help? Assist. What is the largest planet in our solar system? A. Earth, B. Saturn, C. Jupiter. C. Jupiter. What is the process by which plants make their own food? A. Respiration. B. Photosynthesis. C. Decomposition. B. Photosynthesis. What is the largest living structure on Earth? A. Great Barrier Reef. B. Amazon rainforest. C. Grand Canyon. A. Great Barrier Reef. What is the scientific term for the building blocks of life? A. Cells. B. Molecules. C. Tissues. A. Cells. What is the process by which water moves through a plant? A. Respiration. B. Transpiration. C. Photosynthesis. Let me know in the comments. What is the largest organ in the human body? Skin. Which blood vessel carries oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart? Pulmonary vein. What is the smallest bone in the human body? Stapes. Which part of the brain regulates body temperature? Hypothalamus. What is the medical term for high blood pressure? Hypertension. Which organ stores and releases bile? A. Gallbladder. Where are most blood cells produced? In the bone marrow. Which medical imaging technique uses X-rays? CT scan. Which body part is responsible for the sense of balance? Ears. What is the term for a tumor that is non-cancerous? Benign.